front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Select your sentence that you wish to pin and click on Pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, tap on the pen, hit your sentence and use Pin icon next to the pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!